new this year in the Janesville School District is an SSO program. SSO stands for Single Sign-On. This gives us the ability to log in one time into one program and have access to the numerous programs we need on a daily basis. The program is called Classlink. If you go to the Parker homepage, you can click on the Classlink icon as explained by Dr. Smiley, or if you go to my.classlink.com/SDJ, it'll get you to the same place. This is what it would look like the first time. You're just going to use your credentials you would use to log into the computer every morning, your username and password, and then click sign in. This is the Classlink interface. It has programs listed. Anything that has this blue circle with the white key in it is something that is linked directly through Classlink, and so when you click on this program, it'll take you and log you right in. Anything that does not have that, such as this right here, will take you to the website in which you can access those pieces. So it's pretty easy to navigate. If there's just one of these programs I want to have access to, let's say I want to log into Edmodo, all I do is click on the Edmodo icon. I'm going to close this out. It's logging me in, and now I have access to Edmodo. Pretty simple. The same thing goes for all of the other programs that are listed. If there's a program that I would like, these are the main programs. The default are all except for the one that I added. If there's other programs you want to add, if you click the plus sign in the upper left-hand corner, that's the app library. These are all of the apps that are existent in the Janesville School District's library. And we can click on any one of these and add them to our home screen. So if I wanted to put my Gmail on there, I could click add, and it'll add it right to my home page. And go back here, and now I have Gmail here. If I click on Gmail, it'll take me straight to my Gmail account. A couple other things that are pretty cool about this. In the upper right-hand corner, if you notice there's a little pencil here. If I click edit mode, I can change some things. I can create apps or folders. If I wanted to create a folder, I could choose whatever color I'd like. I would just label it and click save. That folder will pop up, and now what I can do, as long as I'm still in edit mode, I can drag some of these, and once I hover over, it gets a little bit smaller, and I transfer it right into that folder. So I can create a grouping of some of these icons. If you also notice, when I hover over them, some of them have a lock in the upper right-hand corner. Some of them have a red X. The ones with a lock are ones that are put on here. Those are the main programs, and those you cannot remove. If I wanted to remove Gmail, notice there's a red X, and I could go ahead and click that red X and it's gone. So all of these are standard. The Smart Exchange is also one that I added. I can also get rid of my folder that I created. If I click on my folder and I decide, you know what, maybe this isn't fitting for here, if I click on this little up arrow, it takes it out of my folder, and now I have nothing in there, and I can get rid of this folder. I can also change some things visually. I can change the look of my icons. If I wanted them square instead of circle, I could do that. Icon size. This is great for students. Some of our students that are visually impaired will have an opportunity to make those icons quite a bit larger. Same with font size. I can increase my font size if I would like. Themes. Now we're just getting kind of crazy with it. You can change the color. It's just going to be this top ribbon. You can change and kind of personalize how you would like. Wallpaper, if it pops up, just notice great that it has options. You won't be able to actually change the wallpaper. It is set for this in the background. When you're done, click your X. The other thing that I can do here at the bottom is these are my apps. These are all the programs I want to have access to. If I click on my files, it will take me to a place in which I can log into my Google Drive. If you haven't done this yet, when you click on it, it goes straight there and says, hey, do you want to link your Google Drive? I clicked link. It asks you a quick question. Is it okay for us to access these things? I said, okay. And now when I go to it, it will give me access to all of my Google files. It logs me right into Google Drive. So great program, single sign-on. I sign in one time. I now have access to all of these programs from one single place. Not only my Google Drive, but also all of these apps that I've added. And I can also add more by clicking on the plus sign. If you have any questions, as always, please stop by the LMC, and I'd be more than willing to help you out.